Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Sionka. Dan, what are you tracking for us?
Well, we talk about the fire, obviously, there in Santa Cruz County, but of course we've got the winter ahead of us and the potential for rainfall. This is our rainy season, and any folks near the fire zones, of course, have to be wary, as areas that have burned are much more likely to see mudslides and debris flows. And in some cases, that is going to happen this year if we get any rainfall at all. And hopefully we do get some rainfall. We just would like it to be light in those areas and just kind of a low soaker throughout the year. We have some rain to talk about in a moment, but today you notice the warmer temperatures. The sun was back out today. We're in the low to mid 50s around the bay. Obviously the sun has gone down now. Night has fallen and we're cooling off, but a mild evening for the most part out there. But there's another weather system on our doorstep. It will be here tomorrow night. Some of the clouds associated with it already moving into Northern California. So we zoom out a little bit farther, you'll start to see up into the Pacific Northwest some rain already falling on the coastline of Oregon and Washington, and the cold front associated with that will be here tomorrow night. So we're going to get through most of the day tomorrow dry if you have errands to run and don't want to do them in the rain. But tomorrow evening, the potential for precipitation will be there. So let's get you there on Futurecast. Here is 11 o'clock tonight. The model is showing some patchy fog developing. I don't think we'll see anything by 11 p.m. tonight, but perhaps by dawn tomorrow morning, as temperatures lower enough, we may see a little patchy fog building around the bay and into some of the valley bottoms. But that should mix out pretty quickly once the sun comes up. However, as we head through the day, we'll see an increase in high clouds, and by around dinner time, the beginning of the frontal system will start to arrive. So we could see some light precipitation starting in Santa Cruz County by around 5 p.m. or so, and then that will spread across the rest of the Monterey Bay area by 7 or 8 p.m. Now, as far as what you can expect with this, luckily not much wind. It may be a little breezy, but no extreme wind expected. And the rainfall, if any, will be fairly light. So expecting some light precipitation across the Monterey Bay area tomorrow night, and it will slowly dissipate as it heads inland as we head into the late evening hours. So if you live inland, southern Monterey and San Benito counties, unless you're up in the hills facing the ocean, you probably won't see much out of the system. But most folks around the bay will get some wet roadways tomorrow night and perhaps just enough to water your garden. So here's a look at Futurecast precip. You can see it's showing fairly light numbers, with the wet spot being Big Sur at 0.14 of an inch. However, with that said, I could see up to 1/4 of an inch of rain in the Santa Cruz Mountains at the maximum. So we've got some more rain coming tomorrow, and actually another shot sometime next week, which we'll talk about in a moment. But let's get to your temperatures tomorrow before the rain arrives. Still a little cooler in Santa Cruz County, as you'll see the clouds earlier than everyone else. So we're going to keep you in the upper 50s to low 60s for the most part. 60 right down in downtown Santa Cruz tomorrow. Watsonville staying in the low 60s as well, but back to mid 60s in Salinas and Hollister tomorrow afternoon. Monterey, you'll see a high in the low 60s. And look, shouldn't be too bad out there. 60 also in Carmel, and then farther south, the Salinas Valley will see temperatures warming from 66 in Gonzales to 70 in Bradley tomorrow. Now, temperatures will continue to warm up after this system comes through, so we'll be a little cool Friday and Saturday, but then after that, temperatures will be much warmer. Mostly sunny skies. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday should be pretty nice. Sunday, the pick of the litter for the weekend days as far as warm weather is concerned. Should be gorgeous if you're going to go out and do some hiking, biking, surfing, kayaking, whatever you do. It looks like a nice one for it. The next chance of rain will be around Wednesday of next week, and that does not look like a big storm either. It looks like it will bring more light rain for the region. Inland areas also a little cool into the weekend, but warm out. We may see a little wind on Sunday, but otherwise warmer temperatures early next week, and watching for that next rain chance Wednesday, guys.